everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to one of the famous place which is called Sadhuchiru. It's a waterfall. It's also named as Leimaram. So it's one of the best picnic spot and one of the sightseeing tourist spot. So we'll be going there with a bunch of friends. We'll be having food over there, nice food, and after that we'll go to the waterfall. And I'm really believing that today will be the best day for me.
We can reach without any stoppage in between. So let's see. We are at Bishnupur district, right Madhu? And this is the gate to Leimaram. So we're going to enter this place now.
It's a bad luck for us as Leimaram is holiday today because today is Sunday. We just got information from one of our friends who already reached there. So I was hoping that today is going to be a good day for me, but unfortunately I got a bad news that Leimaram is having a holiday today. So we are going there. We'll be having a picnic. As we got all the food items and everything, so we'll be going there, and after that we'll be cooking some food, and there's some small park, so we're going to the small park now. Asking the way that we cannot be lost all the time roaming here and there without knowing the way. So he's asking for asking some local people so that they can tell us the way where we have to go.
Oh yeah,
along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
So guys, Leimaram to ho nahi paya, but it's fine, no worries. We have came to this place which is called Mongpi Park. So there is one local guy who came here, and he's very helpful, and he's going to lend us this house so that we can cook. And it's not a big one, but it looks so cute. So we are going to cook our food and preparation, whatever the preparation we have to do for the lunch, we'll be doing here. So finally we have reached to the destination, and I'm hoping at least this is going to be a good day for me, and let's see how it goes.
The highways, and on we'll go.
So here is our celebrity chef, Dasashi. He's important VIP chef for today. So he will be cooking all chicken, non-veg, all items. I'm really sure that it will be awesome and super delicious.
Righty.
Davaka, what are you doing?
I'm just watching the rice.
Personally, just now you heard, what is this?
This is pork, and we washed it in the rice pani.
So what will happen if you wash in that?
The pork will be clean, no? Pork will be clean.
That's it.
Rice का जो पानी है, it has many properties.
Soybean. What is soybean?
Fermented bamboo soup.
This is the rice, guys. This is a small kitchen.
So guys, there's a small stream here, a small waterfall, small water stream. So we are going there and we're gonna shoot that water.
Look how serious they are. So here another chef is cooking pork curry.
Pork curry with bamboo shoot.
Pork curry with bamboo shoot, typical Manipuri traditional style.
The module is cleaning the carbon out of the vessel.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Guys, we really had a great fun today, and as it's already evening here, so we're going back home, and we had a good fun here and we enjoyed the feast. Though we didn't go to Leimaram, but we came to some other place to have a good day, and it was actually a blast for me. And I'm going back home. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.
Bye guys.